We divide 1000 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we have remaining this 0 which we can take here. So 1000 divided by 4 is 250. So this much for today and thanks for watching.